Hello guys, I am going to show you how to integrate with ConvertBox using webhooks in 2024. Use the link in the description to sign up to ConvertBox at a huge discount. Step 1. Edit your ConvertBox and select the form element you want to use webhooks with. Then on the left sidebar select the Form Settings button. Step 2. Go to the Integrations tab and select Add Integration under the Default Integration section. Step 3. On the Use Integration option select webhooks, then paste your webhook URL into the webhook URL field. Now you can click the Send Test button to send test data to your webhook URL for all the fields currently on your ConvertBox. Wait for the test to send, usually take 1 to 3 seconds, and then click Add Integration. Step 4. Your new webhook action will now appear in your list of actions for this form. Click Save to close the Form Actions modal and don't forget to save the changes to your ConvertBox in the editor.